What is ChatGPT, and how does it make money? ChatGPT, the free chatbot released in November 2022 by artificial intelligence (AI) research company OpenAI, has taken the internet by storm. What is ChatGPT? In its response to our prompt, ChatGPT said that its applications could include customer service bots, creation of content for social media or blogs, and translation of text from one language to another. 3. How does ChatGPT make money? On February 1, 2023, OpenAI announced that it would launch a pilot version of a paid subscription plan called ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. Benefits of ChatGPT. As mentioned, there are numerous potential uses for ChatGPT. One demonstration of the sophistication of ChatGPT provided by OpenAI includes a prompt that was designed to trick the bot, asking about when Christopher Columbus, supposedly, came to the United States in 2015. Disadvantages of ChatGPT. OpenAI lists some of the limitations of ChatGPT as it currently exists in its presentation of the model. For instance, some analysts have predicted that the bot could be used to make malware and phishing attacks more sophisticated, or that hackers may utilize the technology to develop their own AI models that may be less well controlled. Recent developments. What is ChatGPT? What makes ChatGPT stand out? What are potential uses of ChatGPT? The bottom line. Smart Assets free tool matches you with fiduciary financial advisors in your area in 5 minutes.